Your Android phone charging cable could be dangerous. Here is some scary most people never realize. Not all USB cables are the same. Some cables only charge your phone, while others transfer data too. If USB debugging is enabled, a data cable connected to a suspicious computer could potentially access parts of your phone. That is why cybersecurity people warn about public charging stations and unknown USB devices. Some fake cables can even behave strangely or collect information. So next time, if someone says it's just a charging cable, remember, sometimes it's a lot more than that. So please careful when you charge your mobile phone in public charging stations and use unknown USB devices. Have a nice day. Bye.